So this is the ICT Games help video for Car Crusher, and we're learning here. This is sort of aimed at 6 to 8 year olds, and we're building our confidence in. This supports us when we're getting ready to bridge to the next 10 or the last 10. So if we're doing addition, we're bridging to the next 10. If we're doing subtraction, we're bridging to the last 10. Okay, now.
Counting forwards, what is the next multiple of 10?
We're in this monster truck. This sign is telling us we're going forwards to the next multiple of 10. What's the next number after 27? Like a friendly number. And it's 30.
Counting forwards, how far is it to the next multiple of 10?
Now, thinking about how far you'd go, how far it is from 27 to 30. Well, I know 3 and 7 made in heaven, so I choose 3. And then that bit's done. And then the car crushes the cars, the monster truck crushes the cars.
Super driving.
And you can see you got to 30, and then you press next.
Counting forwards, what is the next multiple of 10?
Okay, so we're at 52. What's the next multiple of 10 after 52? Well, I can see it's 60.
Counting forwards, how far is it to the next multiple of 10?
Well, now I'm going to look at the ones now. 2 and 8 feeling great. Must be 8 to get to 60. And then he crushes the cars, and you can see the numbers light up on the number track.
Super driving.
And then you go
Counting
again.
forwards,
Now,
what
it
is the
randomly
next
flips
multiple
between
of 10?
going backwards and forwards, so addition and subtraction. So we've had 3 additions here. So what's the next multiple of 10? 90.
Counting forwards, how far is it to the next multiple of 10?
Again, 2 and 8 feeling great, so it must be 8 to get to 90. And then crushes the cars, and you can see the track light up.
Super driving.
Oh, there we go.
Counting backwards,
So let's
what
just see
is
a
the next
subtraction.
multiple of 10?
Now, so what's the last multiple of 10? The previous multiple of 10. I wanted to use previous in it, but I was a bit nervous about it being too much of vocabulary. So what's the last multiple of 10 before 67? Well, that's quite confusing because it's actually 60.
Counting backwards, how far is it to the next multiple of 10?
Now you might be tempted to think 3 and 7 made in heaven, but no, we're going back to 60 from 67. So it's actually 7. So getting really comfortable mastering using those skills of whether you're going
Nice
forwards
driving.
and backwards, and whether you're using the bond of 10 or whether you're just taking off this units value is a skill that children find tricky. So this game is designed to build that confidence. Hope it helps. Have fun.